Okay, so today we are talking about the area of circles and sectors of circles. So, first off, let's talk about the area of a circle. So, to find the area of a circle, we're going to use the formula area equals pi times radius squared. And our radius is half the diameter. So, a diameter is 2 times the radius. It's from the center of the circle out to the perimeter of the circle. So, let's just get down to it. So an outdoor accessories company manufactures circular covers for outdoor umbrellas. If the cover is 8 inches longer than the umbrella on each side, find the area of the cover in square inches. So our umbrella is 72 inches straight across, which would mean it has a diameter of 36 inches plus the 8 on the outside, which means the diameter of this cover, which that's not really an accurate drawing there. So the diameter of our cover would be 36 plus 8, which would be 44 inches. So to find the area of our cover, we would do pi times radius, which is 44 squared. So 44 squared equals 1936 pi inches squared. So I would leave my area like that. If you wanted, you could multiply that out and then round, which that would be about 6082.12 inches squared. I usually leave it in pi, but you can multiply it out if you so choose. Now, you would give this one a shot. So we have a radius of 9 feet for the ground pool plus an extra foot, so 10. So we have 100 feet squared, right? 9 plus 1, which would be 10. Yeah. So 100 pi, which would be about C. Lovely. Okay, so find the radius of a circle with an area of 58 square inches. So once again, we know our formula is area equals pi r squared. We know our area is 58, and we know pi is never changing. So we could divide each side by pi, and then we would have 58 divided by pi, which make sure you use the actual pi button on your calculator, not 3.14. So we divide that out. We get 18.46, whatever, 18.46 equals r squared. And then I would take the square root of my answer there, and I would end up with my radius is about 4.3 inches. Alright, so we can backwards engineer that as well. So find the radius of a circle with an area of 45 square inches. So 45 equals pi r squared. Divide by pi again. Divide by pi. Then we would take the square root of each side, and that's going to give us our radius. So 45 divided by pi equals second square root, second answer, and we get, oh no, it didn't do it right. 45 divided by pi equals, thank you, square root, second answer, equals, lovely, 3.8. Continuing on at a rapid pace. So when we're finding the area of a sector, what we're actually doing is trying to find the area of a percentage of the circle. And so how we do that is we find the percentage of our circle using the degrees in the middle, because a circle is composed of 360 degrees. So if we wanted to find a 90-degree sector of that triangle, or of that circle, 90 over 360 would be 1/4. So we're going to do 1/4 times the area of that triangle. So they give you this proportion that you can use what I would rather use is this equation. So we know area of the sector equals x being our degrees, or the sector, over 360 times the area of the full circle, or pi r squared. So let's look at this in practice. So a pi has a diameter, oh, that was a horrible pi. Brought shame to my family. A pi has a diameter, so straight across, of 9 inches. And is cut into 10 congruent slices. So if it's cut into 10 slices, we're going to do 360 divided by 10, which is going to be, so 36-degree angle in there. What is the area of one slice? So we need 1/10 of the total area of this circle. So this circle is going to be pi times radius squared, my radius being 4.5. So 4.5 squared times pi equals 63.62, and then I'm going to divide that by 10 since there's 10 slices. So the area of one slice is going to be 6.36 inches. It was inches, correct? Inches squared. All right. So we're just kind of dividing that area up into little pieces. So this time we have a diameter of 14 inches. It's a 14-inch pizza, which means my radius is 7. So my area of this whole pizza is going to be pi times 7 squared. So 49 times pi equals about 153.94. And now it's 8 slices, so I'm going to divide this by 8. So we got about 19.24 square inches. Delightful. So that's how you find the area of circles and sectors. Have a great rest.